The impact pump lifts up to 2,000 liters per hour from depths of up to 25 meters. It's a submersible pump with a difference. No submerged electronics to worry about, a simple but robust pump with a 5-year warranty. Simply fits and forgets. A submersible pump that is easy to maintain and one that is suitable for irrigation, domestic use, and more. Once installed, the pump is simple to operate. Connect your drive pump and switch it on. You will start to see water flowing through the system. Water from the drive pump gets pumped down the well. Extra water is then drawn by the impact pump. This gets pumped to the surface and your tank is filled. A small amount of water is then used by the drive pump again. Because it's so simple to connect, you can easily take the drive pump and use it for other purposes when you're not using it in the well. It really is the best of both worlds. All the benefits of a surface pump, but the ability to lift water from 25 meters. Get in touch today.